Good morning, YouTube. This is Wheels coming at you from Norfolk County, Ontario, Canada, on a beautiful, beautiful day. I think it's the 5th of November. Just an absolutely beautiful day. It's supposed to be upwards of 13 degrees Celsius today, which is really kind of neat. But today I wanted to give you a message, and that message is for everybody who takes the time to make videos on YouTube and edit them and go through all that hassle and all those little tedious steps in putting out videos for us to watch. You know, it's so refreshing and it's so nice to be able to see that somebody takes the time to put down a comment. You know, comments, no matter how short, no matter how long, it's, like, thanks Joe, cool Sam, great camp out, whatever the comment is, it is really, really appreciated. Actually, sometimes it is so appreciated that people are convinced that sending you something might be in their best interest or a good idea. I guess what I'm saying is, a while back, I was watching YouTube videos, and there was a video from Wavester. Joe, he does all kinds of knife reviews. Really, really cool. He's got a ton of knives. I'm a knife lover. Anyways, he's doing this video, Wavester64, on this new knife from CRKT or CRKT. And man, it was the coolest knife that I've seen in a long time, and it looked like quite the beast. Well, I commented, on that, just a very, very quick, simple, quick comment, like, very cool blade, or wow, man, cool blade. Forget exactly what it was, but here's the blade. This blade was sent to me from Wavester64 Joe. His letter in the box when I opened it said, "Wheels, you commented on the video saying how much you like that blade, so I decided to send it to you. This is an awesome, awesome blade. This blade is a huge blade." I don't know if you can read that or not. But yeah, this is a CRKT BUKU stainless steel, just a beast of a knife. It is heavy. It is sharp, frame lock. Brushed stainless. Beautiful knife. Oh yeah, it's been used. It's been used and used and used and used. This actually is my new carry knife. What I'm saying, guys, is it never hurts to leave a comment. It helps in so many ways. Not only does it help yourself sometimes, but it really, really, really helps the person that took the time to do that video, to put that video out there for everybody to enjoy. So, next time you watch a video, put a comment down. So many times I've watched a video and I see 115 views and like 3 comments. What up with that? Make a comment, guys. Takes no time, and it's appreciated beyond what you realize that it is. Anybody who does videos knows what I'm talking about. Those people that just go on to watch videos, make a comment. You never, ever know what's going to happen because of it. I would like to take this chance also to say hi to a very special person across the pond in the UK. She knows exactly who she is. So, hello, long time no see, long time no talk to, but give me a call. So, comment. YouTube lovers, YouTube viewers, comment. It's the way to go. Love you guys. This is Wheels, and I am out of here.